You got questions? Jay Wayne got answers. It's the Jay Wayne Q&A show.
Jay Wayne, trading get paid. Jay Wayne, he got them answers. Q&A. Jay Wayne, Jay Wayne, Q&A.
Hey y'all, before we get the video started, I want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers called Apex73CH. Let me make sure. Shout out to Apex73CH, being first in the comment section for 2 videos in a row. He's always right there. He part of the notification squad. Shout out to you, Apex. Let's get it. So today's video, as you can see behind me, got the Christmas tree going, got the vibes right. You know what I'm saying? Just the mood is just beautiful. And because we talking about, you know, how to trade during the Christmas season, how to trade during the holiday season. First, before I get started, I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Because it's going to be epic, man. I'm guaranteed if you rocking with Team Take Profits, 2020 is about to be amazing. I'm constantly sharpening and refining my skills and my craft. We're about to make some money. All right, as soon as these markets get back trending right or whatever, we about to kill the game, okay? And that brings me to my point. You know, we can't be playing around all year long. All right, we can't be playing around, breaking even all the time, losing money, trying to regroup the losses, because the holidays come. And when the holidays come, they come in heavy. All right, and then it's not even good trading times. You know, the trading, the volatility is going down. So now you're stuck. Now you're trying to make all those losses back up during the holiday season. You should have been grinding all along, all through the year. So now you could take a break during this time of the year. And I haven't even traded in for about a couple days now, because I made a lot of money throughout the year. I can relax during the holiday season. But the ones that's always revenge trading, fear missing out, chasing the market, you know, they wasn't making no money. They wasn't profitable. So now, here comes the holiday season, and now they're trying to scuffle, get these trades in, and it's not a good time to do that. But it's still a way to make money during the holiday season time. And so trading during the holiday season, you have to really be patient and pick your spots. You know, getting in the market just randomly, you know, hoping that it comes back, reverses, you know, go your way, that's not going to cut it during this time. You know, if the market is falling off, it's about to fall off. You know, you probably want to trade with the trend during this time of the season. You want to be focused on the higher time frames during this time of the season. All right, because scalping, it won't cut it. Scalping is a little dangerous. All right, so I will focus more on the higher time frames, being patient, waiting for those setups. You know, do more day trading and be very selective. You know, wait very patiently for your trades setups to happen, and be very patient and execute. Pull the trigger, boom, get in and get out. I wouldn't even try to hold the trades for a very long time. You know, get about 20 pips, 25 pips, 15 pips, get out the market. All right, you want to stick and move throughout this holiday season. If you're going to trade it, I recommend not trading it. But if you are, nobody can tell you anything, you're just going to do what you want to do, that's the way I would do it. Let's go to the studio and talk more about this. I am feeling a little under the weather. I just woke up with this sore throat, stuffy nose, but you know the grind don't stop, because you know I couldn't just let this day go without answering the questions from the subscribers. I just couldn't let this day go by without me grinding and getting these answers out to you guys. So we're going to answer about 2 or 3 questions real quick, and we're going to get on. But I do want to wish you guys another Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's make this money, baby. Let's make 2020 the greatest year yet. So the first question we got is by No Wisdom. He said, just want to ask, is it okay to trade in the holiday season? Someone told me all traders take holidays in December because the market does all sorts of madness during this time. Is there any truth to this? Now, the truth of the matter is, yeah, the market gets a little slow, and it can do some crazy things. But you're mostly going to see that type of reaction. You're mostly going to see that type of madness on the lower time frames. So if you don't want to be scalping during this time of the season, okay? You don't want to be scalping. All right. What you could be doing is you know, finding, if you were already in some bigger positions on the higher time frames, then those crazy little wicks won't bother you as much. Now, if you're a day trader, you possibly can get away with some trades. You possibly can find some trades. Now, I know we found some trades. It just wasn't what we were accustomed to. You know, during London time, you know, some trades, it was very slow until like 5 o'clock. That's usually my time to stop trading. But the market sometimes didn't even take off until that time. You know, New York time, it started moving New York. So you just have to be ready. If you really want to trade during these holiday times, you have to be ready, eyes on the chart. Because if you expecting it to happen like it usually happens, it's probably not. For an example, let's look at GBP AUD right here on the 1 hour chart. It's been dropping, right? It did that first big push up for like 400 pips, and then it's been made a double top, and it's been dropping ever since, right? So these are pretty good trades to be in. Like, you can get into this big downtrend, right? I mean, follow the trend, right? So if you wanted to participate in these sales, well, all you had to do was the stochastic would have easily got you back into the trades. So let me take the MACD off, and I'll put the vertical line on here so you can see. But every time it pulled back to the 50 moving average, the stochastic was right there to get you right back into the sell. Now, if you were trying to buy against this trend, then that's a personal problem. That's a personal problem. But this thing has been dropping, has not broke the trend line. So you should be looking for sales until structure is broken. And what do I mean by when structure is broken? I mean by like one of these, you know, zones here. Instead of price breaking through it, it would have just stayed on top of it. You know, it would have bounced on top of it and became support instead of breaking through and becoming resistance. You know, I'll put some arrows on here for you. You know, if it was going to go up again, it would have broke the 50. It would have broke up here, retested somewhere around the structure, you know, and then, you know, came back up. But it never did that. So you should be looking for sales. So you just use the stochastic. That's why I like the Martin stochastic, because it's combined, everything combined in one. All right. So it's lit up red, telling you it's a downtrend. We're on an hour chart, which is beautiful. And every time it pulled back towards the 50 moving average, the stochastic was overbought, gearing you up to get into the sell again. So now this is all during December. Now look at this big consolidation area right here. This big consolidation area right here. So this right here, this is during the holiday, like right now. So this is the biggest consolidation since it been dropping. So this is what the holiday season will look like. So what I really want you to do is find out for yourself. Go back 2018. What did the market look like for your pair that you'd like to trade? What did the market look like during December? What did the market look like during Thanksgiving time, Christmas time? You know, what did the market look like? So all you gotta do is just go back test yourself and see it. But it's been dropping, and then now here come, you know, Christmas Eve, you know, going into Christmas, and it's the biggest consolidation yet. So, you know, be careful. It's nothing really to scalp here. It's really nothing to do. It's just be patient. You know, you don't need to trade this. So hopefully that answered your question. I appreciate you for being a subscriber to the channel and being a part of the family. I appreciate you. So all my Team Take Profits family, stay encouraged, stay motivated, but use this time to study and perfect your craft up until the new year, because market is going to take off again, and we will be there to execute and make some money. So before you leave, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.